This double feature of RWBY Volume 2 is brought to you by the Flaming Shark. Because after all, why wouldn't it be? I'm the Flaming Shark.
There's a point where it tips, there's a point where it breaks, there's a point where it bends, and a point we just can't take anymore. There's a line that across and no return, a point where it breaks, no bridges left to burn anymore. Anywho, this is the Flaming Shark, back with our video today doing our blind commentary. I'm sorry, guys. Blind... What the fuck? Blind commentary, blind reaction to RWBY Volume 2, Chapter 3, A Minor Hiccup. I don't have anything to say, except... Damn you, Jonathan, you're way too quick with your videos. I'm assuming you're on Volume 2 because I know you've watched my Volume 2 premiere commentary. I haven't actually looked at your channel in like 2 days, so last I checked, I think the last part I saw you do was John Dice, so I don't know what's up with you. You're crazy with how fast you are, but, you know, I have a lot to do in my life, so I'm not as consistent with uploads as you, I guess, or some people, but I try my best. So today you guys are going to be getting a double feature. I don't want to spoil you guys, so you're only getting 2 commentaries, and they will be separate videos. Because, well, nah, they'll probably be 1 video. But yeah, you're getting a double feature today because I'm feeling generous. So this is Volume 2, Chapter 3, A Minor Hiccup. My prediction for this episode is going to be Team RWBY is going to have something's going to go wrong, but it's not going to be that big of a deal, you know? I'm kind of warm, to be honest. So I might be taking sips or gulps of the water in the video because I'm pretty warm right now. Yeah, should have did this right after I took the shower, even then I was kind of warm. Anywho, let's get this video started, baby. RWBY Volume 2, Chapter 3, A Minor Hiccup will commence in 3, 2, 1, let's go. There's a point where it tips, there's a point where it breaks, there's a point where it bends, and a point we just can't take anymore. There's a line, no crossings, no return, there's time and place, no bridges left to burn new. That echo, though. I'm very interested in this season, so I do want to watch it. So that's another reason why I'm doing a double feature.
So,
what?
You know, I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat. And, you know, well, I've got 2 tickets to that new Bruce Willis movie. If you want to.
Bruce Willis, really?
It's awesome. And
total
ignored. Study
totally
together?
Ignored.
I mean, you're smart, and I'm you know.
And then timed that one wrong, I guess. Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait until next time.
Okie dokie, sir.
Twice?
I forgot his name.
Did you hear me?
No, yes.
Oh, she did hear you. That's good. And then the rest are... Ah, nice, Yang, nice.
Ooh, Ruby. Ooh, Weiss. Ooh, Yang. Where's Blake? Oh, there's Blake. Okay, that was weird.
Class would never
Oh,
end.
I like those
All right,
clothes.
today. The investigation.
I like these clothes they're wearing.
So serious.
Blake looks.
Hey, we've got a plan.
Oh, Ruby. I like the white
Moderately
and black.
Right. Everyone remember
Ruby's
that, right?
does
You and I will
not
head
so
to the
much.
CCT to
Love
check the shoe
Weiss's.
records for any other dust robberies
Yeah.
or inconsistencies. Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem.
Yep.
The White Fang has regular faction.
I
meetings,
love
orders, and recruitment
Blake's
members.
gear the most,
If I
though.
can get in,
So
I can
simple.
hopefully find out
It
what
looks
they're
so
planning.
good. Looks better than
I have an
her
old friend on the
usual
shady side of
gear.
town
I'm not a
that
big fan of her
knows
usual
everything
gear.
going on in Ville.
And then
Getting information
Yang
out
looks
of
good
Kim
too.
shouldn't
She's
be
kind of
hard.
wearing more clothes, but she's still showing off her cleavage.
Go over what we found. Let's do this.
Because, you know, it's Yang, so she has to.
Son, how did you get up there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
You do what?
I climb trees all the time. So, are we finally getting back at that torture guy?
We
Damn.
are going to investigate the situation as a team. Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
It's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune.
Nice. Oh, wow.
Sup?
How did you
So-
even get up here?
I have my ways. Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
All right, I'll go with
Nice.
Weiss, son. You can go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good? Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister. But Weiss, who would go with you then? Well, I guess Neptune could come with you.
Wow, she's not.
Nah.
Oh my god! Ruby, what are you. Not only was Ruby cock blocking Weiss X Neptune, she's also trying to help her own White Rose evil plans. Oh god.
It was their gift to the world after the Great War. Ooh,
Wow.
Look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich.
Oh wow.
Don't be a
Damn.
pest. Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library. I know, but it's so cool. I'm gonna take a picture. Ah.
Really?
Oh,
Is that Penny? Yes!
dropped this. Penny? Where have you been? We haven't seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused. I've got to go. What was that about?
Has she been reprogrammed, or did Ozpin tell
I'm
her,
going to
don't
find out.
talk to
And we'll
Ruby
make a
and the
call. I'll
gang?
meet up with you later. Wait! Ugh. Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding.
Yeah?
Penny, is everything okay? Penny, please stop.
I don't know how I feel about this right now.
I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend.
Oh. Oh, she didn't. Oh.
It isn't safe to talk here.
Going in the Schnee building? Oh, maybe not. Man, Weiss looks amazing. I love, like, this gear is legit, except Ruby's. Ruby's doesn't look better. But all three of the rest of them look better. Weiss, Blake, they look amazing. Yang looks a little better, but I kind of wish there was more yellow in there. Blake looks good in the white and black. And Yang, Weiss and Blake both do.
Room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity?
It's not...
Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
Oh. Is she faking the smile? I feel like she is. She doesn't want to be there.
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
I don't know how to feel about this right now. What's gonna happen? What am I waiting for?
Hi, Mom. How are things back in Signal?
There's somebody she's gonna...
Thank you for calling the Atlas. Oh, Miss Snee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
She has a
Thank
sister?
you.
Oh,
I
my
was
name's
actually wondering
Winter.
If you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well.
Yeah,
The data's being transferred to your school now.
it might piss off Big Daddy, and you might get fired, but if you don't listen to Miss Schnee, you're also getting fathered.
Yes, I'm sure.
Oh. Ooh, there's definitely some tension between Weiss and Daddy Weiss. Or Daddy Schnee, I should say. Interesting. Oh, hi, Ruby, again.
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together, and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far.
Ozpin, right?
Oh, you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot. Believe me, I know the feeling. But why not let us know you were okay? I was asked not to talk to you. Or Weiss. Or Blake.
Or Yang.
Anybody, really. Was your dad that upset? No, it wasn't my father.
The A-K-130 has been the standard security line of London for several years. And they have done a fine job. Wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree?
Is that the general from the last episode?
The Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom
Looks
of
like it.
innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it? Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200. Smarter, sleeker.
Yeah, they are sleeker. They look
A
good.
little less scary. These models will become active later this year, but they won't be alone. Now, the Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby?
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Atlesian Paladin.
Oh.
Now, we couldn't have them here for you today, but these mechanized ballistics will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Is this guy bad?
Ruby, maybe we should go somewhere else. Penny? Wait, where are you going?
Is he bad, the general? Ozpin's friend?
Down here. She went this way.
Is she just gonna vanish? Breakable things, really? Ooh.
This way!
Whoa. Whoa, Ruby. I know speed's your thing, but damn. Oh, God. Is that from Dusk Till Dawn? Wow. Poor guy. Poor old man.
Penny? Are you okay?
Is that the only word that guy's ever gonna say?
Did you see that?
Do you think she's okay?
Penny, come back!
Can you call the police? Did she stop that with her bare hands?
Is that surprising in this world? I mean, you could say super strength is like her special ability, like instead of speed or glyphs or whatever.
How did you do that? I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk.
She have a
about it.
hiccup?
Penny, if you can just tell
Or
me
is
what's
she
wrong, I can help
malfunctioning?
you. No, you wouldn't understand. Let me try. You can trust me. You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend? I promise.
You're a robot.
I'm not a real girl.
Well, yeah.
Oh.
Did we not see this? Did you not see that coming?
I will cling, I will clutch, I'll hold on to you, I won't turn away, I won't leave, I won't go, I will stay.
Cute art, too. Salutations! Alright guys, that was a good episode. My only real thing about that was RWBY should have saw it coming, and... Is Penny a Pinocchio reference? I'm just asking. Probably isn't, but it's worth the ask. So, like I said, since we're doing a double feature, I'm going to do what I did for a lot of the Volume 1, like, marathon, and that's get straight into the next episode. Why not, right? There's a point where it tips, there's a point where it breaks, there's a point where it bends, and a point we just can't take anymore.
There's a line that will cross and there's no return. There's a time and a place, no bridges left to burn anymore. We can't just wait with life to take until they think we're ready. Our enemies are gathering, our storm is brewing now. Now it's time to say
Always knew. Man, that's loud as shit, but I like it loud as shit. I like how it's louder than anything else in the
I don't
episode.
understand.
That's how it should be.
Most girls are born, but I was made. I'm the world's first synthetic person capable of generating an aura.
Whoa!
I'm not real.
Oh shit.
Of course you are. You think just because you've got nuts and bolts instead of squishy guts makes you any less real than me?
That's cute.
You're taking this extraordinarily well. You're not like those things we saw back there. You've got a heart and a soul. I can feel it. Oh, Ruby, you're the best friend anyone could have. Oh,
Well, that's
I
true.
can see why your father would want to protect such a delicate flower. He's very sweet. My father's the one that built me. I'm sure you would just love him. Wow, he built you all by himself? Well, almost. He had some help from Mr. Ironwood. The general? Wait, is that why those soldiers were after you? They like to protect me too. They don't think you can protect yourself? They're not sure if I'm ready yet.
Oh, okay, so they aren't
job to save the world.
evil, but their machines will
I have
be.
a lot left to learn.
Cinder will somehow take them
That's why my
over.
father let me come to the Vital Festival.
Calling that.
I want to
Unless
see what it's like in the
Ironwood
rest of
really
the
is
world
evil.
And test myself in the tournament. Penny, what are you talking about? Save the world from what? We're in a time of peace. That's not what Mr. Ironwood said.
Check down here.
You have to hide. No, Penny! What are you doing? You don't have to go with them! I can help you! It's okay, Ruby. They're not bad people. I just don't want you to get in trouble. Just
Fair
promise
enough.
me you won't tell anyone about my secret.
You're gonna tell Weiss,
Okay?
Blake, and Yang.
I promise.
She's gonna tell Weiss, Blake, and Yang.
Salutations, officers!
Why were you running? And what happened to the other girl?
What girl? I've been by myself all day.
How would this not be noticed?
You shouldn't cause such a scene. Are you okay?
Just a scratch.
Penny, your father isn't going to be happy about this.
Please, just come with us.
Yes, sir.
What? Yang is finally on her motorcycle. Thank you.
Come on,
And where exactly is here?
A nightclub. Again? Very reminiscent of the yellow trailer. Whoa!
Close the door, she's coming!
Okay, we get the yellow trailer again. Do, 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 do. Back again. Guess who's back? That's awesome. Oh, that was weird. Oh, it's getting like remixed. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, so could you define friend for me?
Stop!
That was cute.
Bloody
That was cute.
Shoot. Blondie, you're here.
Yep.
Why?
You still owe me a drink.
He's just like, come here.
What a woman.
Yes.
Sup?
I love Neptune. He's awesome.
Whatever.
Sun's oh nice. They're just like whatever. They're lesbians. Just saying. Ooh, Blake. What do we have here?
This is it.
I get it. Yeah.
You know, I'm just gonna take your word for it.
Good choice.
New recruits, keep to the right.
I don't get it. If you believe what you're doing is right, why hide who you are?
The masks are a symbol. Humanity wanted to make monsters out of us, so we chose to don the faces of monsters.
Grim masks? That's kind of dark.
So was the guy who started it.
Adam?
Always sunshine and
Is it Adam? Interestingly enough, I don't think I've ever said the name Adam in any RWBY commentary until now. Shit. If Adam's here, he'll see Blake in a second, mask or not. Which is interesting because Blake wasn't wearing a mask in the black trailer. Man, the trailer references are real in this episode. And I didn't even mention this episode's called Painting the Town.
Allow me to introduce a very special comrade of ours.
Adam?
I can assure you, he is the key to
Or
obtaining what we
Torchwick.
fought for so long.
Thank you! Thank you! Please, hold your applause.
What's a human doing here?
I'm glad you asked, dearie. Now, I'll be the first to admit, humans are the worst. Case in point. So, I understand
Nice.
why you would love to see us all locked away, or, better yet, killed. But,
So is he going somewhere with this, or...?
I'd like to mention the fact that you and I all have a common enemy. The ones in control, the people pulling the strings, the dirty, rotten humans that run our kingdoms.
True.
Government, military, even the schools. They're all to blame for your lot in life.
Yep. Okay. Okay. Okay.
And they're all pests
Go
that need to be
Roman.
dealt with. Fortunately, I'm the best exterminator around. No offense to any rodents in the room.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Oh, that's a big robot.
How did he get that?
As some of you may have heard, this right here is Atlas's newest line of defense against all the scary things in the world. And thanks to my employer, we've managed to snag a few before they hit the shelves. Now, many of your brothers have already moved down to our new operation in the southeast. If you'd rather stay within the city, that's fine. But if you're truly ready to fight for what you believe in, this is the arsenal I can provide you. Any questions?
Go Roman.
We should get out of here.
All new recruits, please come forward.
Well,
Interesting.
Don't know.
How can you not know?
I haven't talked to him. I haven't even seen him since the night you first came in here. He paid up front, I lent him my men, and none of them ever came back.
Oh, damn.
Where did they go?
What kind of stupid question is that? They never came back.
Yeah, seriously.
Don't worry about him. Worry about me if I don't find out what I want.
I already told you everything. Torchwick hired my boys, and I guess he wasn't happy with them. Which is something I can relate to.
Oh, snap. Could they suck dick?
Come on, Neptune.
We get everything we need?
Well, we got everything we can. Hopefully the rest of the team is having better luck.
This is the most interesting part of this episode, without a doubt, is Blake and Sun.
I'm thinking.
Yeah, you guys didn't think this through. Whoa!
Sees us. He can't see in the dark.
Oh, yes, but Faunus's can see in the dark. Here we go. Damn, here we go. Blake and Sun get. Oh shit! Oh shit! This is real.
Have to have, I don't know, some form of backup.
On it. Everyone, if you can hear me, we need backup.
Weiss like, ugh.
They got a robot, and it's big, really big.
Oh, I am not missing this.
Oh, nice, Ruby.
Your guys in it, but not like it didn't eat him. He's like controlling it or something.
Where are you guys?
Well, that helps.
I think that was them.
Yep.
I got it.
There we go. Sun, Neptune, and Team RWBY versus a giant robot. Let's go. Oh, yes.
We gotta slow it down.
Got it.
Let's go, Roman. Wait, why am I rooting for Roman? I'm sorry, I really love Roman. Oh, damn, nice. Ooh.
Neptune, hang on.
Oh, what? Okay, that's new.
Great, I'm in position.
Nice, go Weiss. What is this? Oh, the ice storm. Oh shit, this is. Oh, it's like. Dude, some hidden miss jutsu up in here. Oh. Oh, that was sweet. That was a. Did she just say checkmate? Oh, nice. Nice teamwork, Blake and Weiss. Oh. Oh, yeah. Where's Yang, though? Yang's is gonna punch his face off. Watch. I'm calling it. Whoa! Whoa! Damn! Holy shit! Blake's getting it in. Ladybug. Oh, I get it. Ladybug is Blake and RWBY. Okay, I get it. Damn! Nice! I knew it! Maybe not. Oh! Damn! Holy shit! Yang ate that punch hard. Yes.
Each hit, she gets stronger, and she uses that energy to fight back.
What the fuck?
That's what makes her special.
That's her power? Oh god. Oh god. Hype train, here we go. It's... Oh, damn.
We have to slow it down. And how do you propose we do that? Ice flowers.
Ice power. Oh, the ice sniper, let's go. Oh, shit. It's like a freaking pendulum now. Oh! What did I call that or what? Yang punched the shit out of Roman.
Just got this thing cleaned.
Oh! Who is this?
Ladies, ice cream? Always a pleasure. Neo,
Nice.
if you would.
Neo? What? That was badass. Oh, that was a badass way to escape.
So I guess he got a new henchman.
Yeah, I guess she really made our plans fall apart.
No. Just no.
Wow,
Into
Yang.
it, there's a time and a place for jokes.
Dang,
That's not
get
it.
wrecked.
No, it just wasn't very good.
Oh, nice. Yang's jokes are terrible, too.
Where's Sun and
That was a nice joke, though.
They're probably fine, right?
What?
Probably.
They left to get noodles? Are you kidding me? What? That's how you end the episode. Oh boy, episode 4 was legit. Episode 3 was a setup episode. Episode 4, I actually kind of glad I watched them together. They fit together. Episode 3 was a setup, and episode 4 was an action, baby. The action, baby. Team RWBY, that was the best display of Team RWBY as Team RWBY. We saw a lot of two-girl punches there. A lot of combo moves involving, like I said, RWBY and then one other, you know what I mean? I enjoyed that episode immensely. I thought that episode was wonderful. That was a lot of action. Episode 3, good setup. Episode 4, great action. Like I said, it was a good pairing of episodes, it seems, to watch, and it was just good. I enjoyed this a lot. I hope you guys did too. It was fun. It's a lot of fun. Hopefully it keeps up, because I am just loving the crap out of this show. And you know, it's not gonna last forever, because I'm catching up. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. And yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. It was really awesome. Like I said, really good teamwork, but not really a whole lot to say about it. You know, obviously Roman's getting his hands on some machines. New henchman, Neo. Well, that's ironic. A new henchman named Neo, because Neo is new. Anyways, yeah, we'll see what happens with that. She seems pretty badass. I like her umbrella, and then she's got some sort of, like, shatterer or way. I don't even know. But, hey, the more the merrier, right? And then Sun and Neptune, we gotta see a little bit of them, but really this was Team RWBY kicking ass. Which is fine. I mean, that's what we signed up for, right? The show is called RWBY, after all. It's not called Juniper or anything. Yeah. So I enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't really have much else to say. It was just a great episode. Flamin' Shark signing out. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time with the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.